So I finally managed to get on the phone with my family doctor, and basically he said that if you have not had contact with a person that is infected or someone who just came from China within 14 days, then you don't have to worry if you don't have this kind of direct contact. And then I also clarified with the people who I have contact with in the past days if they have contact of this sort and they don't. So this should be no problem. I shouldn't be worried. I mean, if everyone who has had contact with people from these regions, then the entire Italy should be shut down because it's impossible to contain the human contact, social contact. There's so many ways of social contacting. There's no way to control that. So I shouldn't be worried, and I should be able to go back to work. And I just informed my manager, and I'll still have to wait for the company's decision whether or not I can go back to work tomorrow. And if I do, I will shoot some clips in Venice and show you how is it there. I heard that in Milan, the region of Milan, it's really crazy because they had over 200 cases, I think. That's why the supermarkets, that's what I heard, that the supermarkets are all empty. They emptied the shelf completely. Like there are videos online, and people are just people talking about the situation there. It's all crazy in Milan. Fortunately, it is not happening in Veneto. It's not happening in Venice. At least not in Mestre. I don't know about Venice. I haven't been there for a few days. For 5 days, I think. No, 4 days. And here is totally normal. As I can show you some clips here. I just went out and I just came back from a little bit shopping. And everything's normal. People walking on the street are totally normal. And supermarkets is full. The shelves are totally full. There's nothing strange. Nobody's trying to buy out all the stuff, all the food. There's nothing like that. So it's comforting to see that in Venice. But also, I guess you have to be a little bit on guard. What if it just break out suddenly tomorrow? What if the number jumps to 100 tomorrow? Anything could happen, so be prepared at least, so you don't run out of resources. And what else? Let me think. What else do I have to say? That's pretty much it. So tomorrow I'm probably gonna go to Venice. If I work, I'll shoot some clips and show you. All these museums, school, university, sports activity, those are shut down. Those are suspended. So tennis club, my tennis club is also it's supposed to be closed. No activities there. And my bank is closed. And but I think the business is still going on. Like the shops are still open. That's why we're still working. My colleagues are still worked today. They have been working today. So we'll see. But I don't know. I just have this suspicion that maybe Venice is gonna shut down their stores as well. It's really bad for the economy. And I heard the news that 40% of this hotel reservation are canceled because of this. And it's really scary situation. I'm saying very uncertain. It's full of uncertainty in the air. Like nobody knows what's gonna happen, and it's so difficult to get information. Like if you are sick, it's even very difficult for you to get through a line on the emergency line set up by the government. In fact, I tried 2 days and I've never got through that line. And I finally contacted my family doctor and managed to talk with my family doctor. Medico di base. It's like each resident has assigned family doctor, so you can talk to a family doctor about this if you are in doubt. That's easier. than calling the hotline 1500. It's simply doesn't go through. Alright, that's the update, and we'll see if yeah, that's it, I guess. Not much to say actually. Just keep washing your hands. If you don't have any business or work, you just stay home. Stay safe. Don't go around. And that's it. Get a lot of toilet papers. Yeah. Okay. Cool. Hope it turns around soon. Because right now Venice is pretty bad, but it's not as bad as Milan. So if we can contain this, if we can keep it under control, it should be gone in a week maybe. The virus, the thing. All right, that's it. Stop talking. Good. Cut.